Whoa! Check out this police car. We better go on it. Of course. Oh, Abraham Lincoln is in his police car. So, we better go to the Wild West. Of course. I'll get some. Whoa! Here comes my other friends. Of course. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, this is fun. Yay. Look. Oh, do you like cactus? No, I don't like cactus because I better change my costume to normal. Yay, I got my costume. So we have to go underwater. Oh dang, we didn't reach to get our Nickelodeon Lightbulb with the kids laughing in it. Oh, okay, now in the sea, I'm going underwater. Underwater. Oh yeah, we're underwater, the deep blue sea. Look, now let's go get Benny. Oh, look at him. All right, I like them. All right, we didn't. Oh, come on. We better go outer space. So, how was our good day today? Well, because we're good. What? I better go back to the snowland. So, how was our great day today? Oh, it's good. Because we'll like and subscribe yet. Because we have to get enjoying the Nickelodeon Lightbulb with these kids laughing on this background. Alright. Oh ho 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 ho. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna move. Whoa. I'll see you later. Come again. See you later. If you like it. Whoa. It's time for the Nickelodeon Lightbulb. Of course I will. Oh ho 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 ho.